In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend Framer white background. If you've ever noticed your page background stopping short or revealing a different color at the edges or below the fold, this quick adjustment will help you keep that clean white look across larger screens and longer pages. Start by opening Framer and loading the project you're working on. Once you're in, open the specific page where you want the white background to extend. Make sure the page itself is selected in the canvas or the layers list, so the settings you change apply to the page, not to an inner frame or component. On the right-hand side, click the Style panel. This is where Framer groups visual properties for whatever you've selected. With the page selected, scroll until you see the breakpoint section. Breakpoints control how your layout behaves at different screen sizes, and within each breakpoint you can set size values that influence how far your page background visually extends. Locate the width setting inside that breakpoint. Increase the width value to cover the largest screens you expect your audience to use. As you raise it, you'll see the white background stretch farther horizontally, removing any unintended gutters or off-white edges on wide displays. A practical tip here: adjust in sensible increments and keep an eye on the canvas so you're not introducing unnecessary horizontal scrolling. Now adjust the height value. This ensures the white background continues well below your content, so you don't hit an abrupt color change at the bottom of a section. Increase it until the white area comfortably outpaces your longest content section. If you're designing a long-scrolling page, leave enough headroom so additions later won't expose a non-white area. That's it. By opening your page, heading to the Style panel, finding the breakpoint controls, and raising both width and height, you ensure your Framer page maintains a seamless white background across wide monitors and long layouts. Make these changes thoughtfully per breakpoint so your design stays consistent on every device.